Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My name is Aryan Hussain. I am a second class student of Bahadurpur Jalalia Madrasa. A traditional and your favorite educational institution of Sylhet. You will be happy to know that 18 teachers and about 600 students study in our madrasa. On our presence, our madrasa head teacher, Ari Maulana Abdul Raqib Darwasti, is an experienced and learned person. He works tirelessly day and night to improve the quality of education under his supervision. The other teachers of the madrasa taught ethics and morals along with teaching with great skill and care. We all obey them, may Allah grant them a good reward in the hereafter. Dear parents in madrasa teachers, compared to two students there is no need to the suffering due to the cramped classroom and house meal arrangements. Therefore, extending your helping hand is very important. May Allah bless you in this hereafter. Ameen.
মাশাআল্লাহ।